can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. When I'm mind too round and too hype, it feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this.
Drip Urin. Magandang araw mga ka-drip. Ang umuti niyan at ino ang Drip Urin. Mag-ingat sa mga waiter na mulang. Baka sila ay nagbubulag-bulagan lang. Gaya na lamang ng video na ito. Panoorin nyo ito. Ang mga bata ay maliligot, tuwing tayo ay namamasyal. Kaya bantayan o tingnan natin silang mabuti. Mga kayo ay matulad at mabiktima ng gaya ng video na ito. Malay nyo, iba na ang mukha ng anak nyo. Panghuli, panoorin nyo si ate na may kakaibang trip gaya ko. Ewan ko, basta panoorin nyo na lang. Eto na siya. Nandito na naman naglalabot ang Great Kunin. Pero bago tayo magtamon, sabi nga greetings na naman. Binabati ko, happy birthday nga pala kay Daryl na taga-Santa, yung producer dito. Tapos binabati ko rin si Len na taga-Plerance, yung spring minimer. Mabuhay kayong lahat yung mga birthday ngayon yung August. Lalo na si Daryl, the great father. Oy, si Ryan pala, si Ryan Marlo. Ang yan ang hikaran nyo, elektronado, yan ang Mang Kaloy. Mang Kaloy, nandiyan lang. Yan. Tingnan mo, yan. O, paano mga kapit? O, mamahalan na ako. Huwag yung tandaan ng ginagawa ko ng ino na hindi. Take win! Take my name! Ang mga bata ay malilikot tuwing tayo ay papasyal.
Hey girl, what's up? You know I pulled your bluff, and I had enough of all the fun and games. You got me going insane. Stop trying to mess with my brain. So are you down or not? Can I hit your spot? I know you want this too. So why you frontin' boo? So let's
Spaghetti.
just make this clear. You know you want this
Spaghetti
here.
na
She's playing hard to
Sigurado ka?
like her shit doesn't
Ay,
stay.
spaghetti magkadalit na.
See, I just wanna talk to you.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I to rhyme and do like me? It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna